What's going on today, guys? It's Jordan back today with another video, and in today's video I'm just going to give you guys a quick update on what is going on, the craziness that's going on with Chainlink. If that sounds good to you guys, make sure you guys smack that like button down below. Let's turn that from white into blue. That would be absolutely great. Now let's jump right on in to the video. As we jump right on in to the longer time frame chart for Chainlink, as you guys can see, we just got major resistance up at this red box, right? And now we're at my first support box that I had drawn a couple days ago, right? So we had some, a little bit of a local high here and a correction. So in this green box, we have some pretty good support. So this is the first box that I want to see us get support on. That's about where we're at right now, about that 870 mark, all the way down to the, about $7. So look for support in this area. And if this first area breaks, we're going to come all the way back down to this second green box, which was our old local high, all the way back down at about $5, right? So that's what I think is going to happen, right? We're going to look at a fractal later on in this video that actually outlines exactly what I think is going to happen, and it's what is my prediction for Chainlink a little bit later on in this video, so make sure you stick around for that. But we're going to jump into the second chart I want to talk about for Chainlink today, guys. This is just the first kind of, introduction for the rest of the video, but for the second, part of this video, we're going to look at this chart here, and what we're doing is exactly the same what we've done the last two times Chainlink has broken its last all-time high, right? So back here, right, where we broke our new all-time high, and we actually came back down and touched our old support as new support before continuing the uptrend and breaking the previous all-time high, which is right here, back again, right? And we came back up, made our new local high, and we came back down and touched the old all-time high as support. Sorry, this new purple line as support before ping-ponging around in here and eventually breaking in a gap again back in July of this year, right? And we made another new all-time high. So what we're doing right now is exactly what we've been doing, right? We're consolidating and capitulating back down to retest the old all-time high, which we've done the previous two times, right? Last time we made an all-time high, we had a huge drop back down to support. Same thing here, huge drop down, confirming old resistance is new support. And that's exactly what we're going to do now, right? We're going to come back down, in my opinion, all the way back to this $5 range if we break this little consolidation here, which I think we're going to do because Bitcoin and Ethereum are both looking weak, and I think that's going to pull down Chainlink with it, all the way back down to the $5 level, where we should get a pretty significant bounce. We've seen the last two times where we've hit this, we've gotten pretty big quick bounces, right? In a matter of a few months, about tripling the price. Same thing here, matter of a few months, about tripling the price. So that's what I see happening in the short-term time frame. Actually, I think this is going to happen within the next 2 or 3 weeks, or we come back down to this $5 range before we get a nice V bottom a little bit higher and maybe consolidate above this purple line. So we're going to look at what I want to basically look at for the meat of this video, and that is the fractal of our first consolidation period for Chainlink. So this price action here is the fractal that I overlaid over our current price action, and it lines up pretty much perfectly, guys. And this is exactly what I see playing out in the medium time frame chart for Chainlink, right? The next 3 to 6 months. This is what I see playing out, right? Where we get a major consolidation above our previous all-time high, right here, guys. Previous all-time high, same thing that we did in this one where we consolidated right above our previous all-time high here. This is what I see happening again for Chainlink, right? We consolidate maybe till about the end of the year, right? Maybe until about December, where we confirm, we retest this a couple times, and then we absolutely go parabolic, probably from about $5, about $70 if we match what we did previously. Now, I don't think it might not be this parabolic where we just go from like $10 to $70 in a matter of like 2 weeks. It might not be that parabolic, but you guys get my point. This is what I see happening in the very, very near term future for Chainlink, right? I think we're due for a little bit of a consolidation period because we've seen it multiple times for Chainlink where we consolidate here, we consolidate here. We just got a major move up, and I think we're due for some consolidation in the medium term, guys. So be patient. I think now is the perfect time where you want to be packing your bags and you don't want to be selling, right? If you bought the top, I'm sorry you guys bought the top. You guys should have saw that coming. But if you guys didn't, I don't think you should be panicking. I think you should just be dollar cost averaging. Say if you bought right at the top at $20 and it comes back down and you buy the same amount for $5, your average price is going to be about $12 to $13, which is still a great buy if you just bought a bunch at $12 or $13, right? So think about it that way. Dollar cost average. Pack your bags. I'm going to be packing my bags all the way back down to $5, right? I have so many buy orders set, at $5 and $6, $7. That's where I have my buy orders set. I'm sure many people have that same idea. So put it a little bit higher than, what the local high was. But, don't be afraid to put your buys in right above that previous all-time high, right, guys? So, that's pretty much what I want to talk about for today's video. Just a quick update for Chainlink. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day today. Make sure you guys smack that like button down below. Like I said, let's hit 100 likes on today's video. Turn that like button blue for me. Also, if you haven't subscribed already, I upload daily crypto videos every single day. So make sure you subscribe and click that notification bell as well. Gives me motivation to make these videos every single day for you guys. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.